G'day, this is Bruce and welcome to my shop. We've got also Jim Zastrow here working together on the project. What we have is these bearing blocks from my Trueline 8 that we're making up. So I've machined them already, the grooves, and now we have to do all the drilling and fitting of it. So we got the block here. It's got two holes through here, and on the flip side are these nuts, and then we've got one hole that goes all the way through, also with a nut, and we get one hole in the centre with a counterboard, with a drop counterboard there for the tape and screw. So what we've got here is a jig that's that Jim has put together a jig that Jim's put together so we can try and be efficient in all the drilling, because there's quite a bit to be done here. So Jim will show you how this particular unit is going to work. We'll just come down a fraction there. Okay, so what we've got here is a beam in the vise, and this
toggle clamp.
This toggle clamp all ready to go. I'm taking the shoulder bolt, Jim's taking the shoulder bolt and machined the head off. I'm using this as a guide, and this is a multi-guide. So you'll be able to slide the block in, clamp it down, and now he'll drill that hole.
Except this one's already drilled, but
so that's already been drilled. So grab another one.
Grab the next one.
Just slide it in. Close it down. Drill the hole. Now he's going to be doing all of those first, and then coming back to do the next one. But
truth be told, since I was 8 or 9 years old, we sailed away, uprooted and torn from home. Red dust seeps into my overloaded love. Take me back. Later on, called the mines my own. Face the threat of losing my sanity there. Red dust seeps into my overloaded lawn. Take me back. The gray tree flood my vision for 100 miles. I'm on fire. Faces warm, general state of being. All fall will come across my way. Red dust seeps into my overloaded lungs. Take me back. Gray trees flood my vision for 100 miles. I'm on fire. At the core, my pulse was kept untouched to be through, till I was revived. Red dust, it seeps into my overloaded lungs. Take me back. Gray trees flood my vision for 100 miles. I'm on fire.